Hello everyone. So you can see my tech reviews in this channel, but I thought I will just start doing more about plants as well, because I think once you start seeing my plant collection, you'll definitely agree that I do have some sort of knowledge in this segment. So today, in this specific video, I want to start with Brazilian lucky bamboo. So you can see these two stems. I have got them very recently, maybe a week ago. So I had no idea about this plant, and once I got to know, I didn't check about its scale. I saw how it grows and where the medium it grows. It grows in water. So first, that was the first requirement that I really needed, and that's the reason I bought it. Okay, I bought it in Amazon, and each one costed me around 250 rupees. They were selling for one piece, but I got two piece because you will not be quite sure, because there are very bad reviews about this product in online. Like I checked in meesho, Flipkart and Amazon, so they were like quite negative like reviews for this product. But that's the reason, if one goes bad, I won't want to survive. That's the reason I bought two. And first, let me show you my setup. This is a turtle tank placed on my fridge. So I have converted into a fish tank along with some plants. It's a kind of like small lake. Filtration process happens, so the plants help to clean the water, and fish provides sufficient nutrients to the plants, and in return they filter out the water. I do have normal lucky bamboo placed in it. This is an old plant. It was sitting in a different bowl of water, so I just transferred it recently. I just placed few Malabar spinach into this, but I didn't take care of them. They fell into water and they're almost in stage of floating, but they have developed the roots. Okay, and I also have some moss and a lot of baby fish. I do have two money plants. One is golden, and the other one is variegated milky one. So this one placed in root. I also have bubble marks. So I have propagated and placed in water. It has very long root system. I also have underwater plants from my aquarium, which I placed, and they have developed roots and they're surviving. And this is a filter which helps to clean the water, and it's sort of like, kind of like water. When it hits the base, it also creates bubble, and it kind of like exchange of air into the water. So that's the reason. So I have a quite experience in raising the lucky bamboo plants. As you can see, I have this very big lucky bamboo plants placed both in water and in soil. I do have few more here. uh, you have gourami fish in this, a male and a female. So they share this place, and they've been like, these plants I have almost for 2 years now. So coming back to the lucky bamboo, Brazilian lucky bamboo. So I bought two, and first impressions were like, not clear, because there were no indications of which is top, which is bottom. So I has to go with my own understanding, that which might be the bottom and which might be the top. I do check for any signs of marking. There were none, and this one is smaller than the. I mean, in terms of width, this is smaller than the other one. So I got two different like, width wise, like, bigger one and smaller one of these plants, and I had no idea to place it. So I placed in a place where, like, water doesn't reach more than 2 inches. That's the first thing you should understand. For any plant, you should not completely submerge them into the water. That might start developing fungus, and roots will, like, abnormally grow. I can show you how. So for example, in this plant, you can observe that roots have been coming from the other nodes. It's better you don't plant it completely. You don't mind this being not cleaned from a month. I has to clean it. Coming back here, so I didn't know how to place it into the water. First, what I did is I cleaned it up, not with any soap or anything, just normal water, and I checked for any signs of damages. I do see few chipping off of the bark, so that was a concern for me, because there is a lot of chance that fungus might grow, and there were no notes at all. So if I have been to nursery, I could have checked for nodes from which the sprouting might happen, but there were none except for a very smaller node like here, but it's not helpful. And so placing them into the water, like which side is top, you don't have any marking. Now how do you identify which side is top? I just purely went by my instincts, considering the drop of size from bottom to top. So if stem is growing in any plant, it grows from a bigger size to smaller size. Eventually that grows bigger and it extends. So based on that, I just checked which side is wider than the other. Based on that, I have planted them into the water, and I have noticed few changes into this recently, and I can see that it's been sprouting. So you can see that these openings here, those are the signs of sprouting. It's not fungus, so it's been sprouting, and there were no roots started as of now, and I do not notice any fungus growing on it. That means I have placed it right, and also the nodes are opening, which in turn will produce a stem, and from where the leaves will grow. And this one is yet to start. I do believe I have placed it on the right side, but I cannot be very sure until it's develops a root or a node or a stem. So I'm waiting for it. Maybe I will make another video if this is successful. I do see few places where there might be a damage. I'm thinking this might definitely end up being developed with fungus, but hopefully if I have placed it on the right side, I will try to save it and make it into a plant. So this is how the shoots going to come. You can see the white part over there down. So here hopefully you can point it out in the video. So here, so once they develop shoot, they will develop into a leaf, and the stem will keep on extending, and you can place this plant completely in water, and it's going to be a very good add-on for my tank. So I'm looking forward to it. Thank you everyone. Hope this video has been helpful if you are trying to find out about Brazilian lucky bamboo. Watch out for my more videos on the plant. Thank you. Bye bye.